Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the halogen derivative. In this year syllabus, the chapter is named as only halogen derivative, but in the last year syllabus, the chapter is named as halogen derivative of alkane and arene. So now we see firstly some basic terms in this introduction. So first is the hydrocarbon. What is the meaning of hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon mainly contain carbon and hydrogen present, and it is the parent compound of all the organic compound. As we know that organic compound is very vast branch. Then what is the meaning of alkane? Alkanes are the aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon having general formula CnH twice n plus 2. What is the meaning of aliphatic? Aliphatic means straight chain compound, saturated means which contain carbon-carbon single bond, and hydrocarbon is the compound which contain mainly hydrogen and carbon. General formula is CnH twice n plus 2, where n is the integer, C is the carbon atom and H is the hydrogen atom. Then what is the meaning of arene? Aromatic hydrocarbon are called as arenes. And what is the meaning of aromatic hydrocarbon? Aromatic hydrocarbon means the compound which contain benzene ring in their structure or benzene like ring. This is called as aromatic hydrocarbon. And now we see what is the meaning of halogens. Halogens are placed in the group 17 of the periodic table, and these the family of these elements is called as halogen family. It includes fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Now we see what is the meaning of halogen derivative. Halogen derivative is defined as when hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon is removed by halogen atom, then the derivative of 10 are called as halogen derivative of hydrocarbon. In case of hydrocarbon, we can also write the definition for alkane and arene. So similarly, we can define halogen derivative of alkane and halogen derivative of arene. So now how we can define the halogen derivative of alkane? When hydrogen atom of alkane are removed by halogen atom, then the compound obtained are called as halogen derivative of alkane. Example CH3X, where CH3 is the methyl group and X for the halogen atom. All the halogen atoms are denoted by the letter X. So how we can define the halogen derivative of arene? When hydrogen atom of aromatic hydrocarbon are removed by halogen atom, then the compound obtained are called as halogen derivative of arene. Example, this is the benzene ring and this is the halogen X. So now we see the classification of halogen derivative. How halogen derivative is classified? Halogen derivative is broadly or mainly classified by the two ways. In the first way, it is classified on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. Means the hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded, this is the basis of this classification, and on the basis of that concept it is classified as haloalkane, haloalkene, haloalkyne and haloarene. Halo for the halogen atoms and this is alkane, alkene, alkyne and arene. So alkane means this compound must contain carbon-carbon single bond in their structure CH3, CH2, X, X for the halogen atom. It may be any halogen. Then haloalkene. Alkene means the compound must contain carbon-carbon double bond CH2 double bond CH single bond X. X it is any halogen atom. And then haloalkyne. Alkyne means the compound which contain carbon-carbon triple bond in their structure. Next is the haloarene. Haloarene. As we know that arene is the aromatic compound, so here benzene ring is there. Benzene ring and this is the X is the halogen atom. This is the first way of classification. It is based on the hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. And second way of classification, it is classified on the basis of number of halogen atoms, monohalogen derivative and polyhalogen derivative. In the monohalogen, mono means one or single, monohalogen derivative, and poly means more than one. How monohalogen derivative is defined? When monohalogen derivative, example CH3Cl, CH3CH2, Br, methyl chloride and ethyl bromide. So how we can define the monohalogen derivative? Mono means one. When one hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon, here we can say that hydrocarbon means we can write both arenes and alkanes. When one hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon is removed by one halogen atom, then the compounds obtained are called as monohalogen derivative of hydrocarbon. Then polyhalogen derivative. Poly means more than one. When more than one hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon are removed by one more than or corresponding number of halogen atom, then the compounds obtained are called as polyhalogen derivative. Polyhalogen derivative is again classified into dihalogen, trihalogen, tetrahalogen, etc. Dihalogen, di means two. When two hydrogen atoms of hydrocarbon are removed by two halogen atom, then the compounds obtained are called as dihalogen derivative. Example, methylene dichloride CH2Cl2. Then trihalogen derivative. In the similar way, we can define trihalogen and also tetrahalogen. The example of trihalogen derivative is CHCl3, means 3 hydrogen atoms are removed by 3 chlorine atom. Here 3 hydrogen atoms are removed by 3 iodine atom. Name is CHCl3 chloroform, CHI3 iodoform. Now tetrahalogen derivative. Tetra means 4. When 4 hydrogen atoms are removed by 4 halogen atom, then the compounds obtained are called as tetrahalogen derivative. Example, CCl4 carbon tetrachloride and CF4, that is carbon tetrafluoride. Here the classification is complete. So hydrocarbon is or halogen derivative is classified broadly into two types or two ways. First is the hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded, and second is the number of halogen atoms.